Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be planning out my daily section with you, which I've never done before. I've always kind of just used a little bit of washi tape and, you know, kind of every day change it up. But I figured I wanted to use up these leftovers that I used in a weekly spread. This is from Little Bloom Paperie and it's called Rosalie, and I had these leftovers and I don't want them to go to waste. So I figured we could use these in my daily section for the entire week. And the goal is to use up all or most of the stickers. So again, this is from Little Bloom Paperie. I did make a disclaimer in a previous video about this shop. Amazing quality. I love her products. Her processing time is just, it's ridiculous. So just a heads up, I don't want you to be stuck for months. When I say months, I think this is about 4 months since I haven't received my last order, which I placed on Black Friday. So just I'm putting it out there, I'm being honest. But I do love her stuff and I'm gonna use up what I do have for now. So yeah, using these leftovers, I also have my tweezers from Printpression, my Sarasa Mark-On pen and 0.5, and then I'm going to use the Prairie Planner to do scripts, and I have my ruler just in case. All right, so let's just jump into it. This is the week of February 26th to, I think, March 3rd, right? Yeah, March 3rd. So let's just jump into it. I'm gonna first lay down some of these florals because I think that would be awesome. Actually, we're gonna use some of these corner pieces too. So let's do this one to start off. I don't have any washi tape that matches this, which I wish I did, but I just don't have that many. I'm trying to build my collection a little bit more and, you know, finding destashes on Mercari. But for now, this is what we have to work with, you guys. And that's okay. All right, let me just place a few of these corner pieces and washies just so each day has a little bit of something. Let's just put this up here. I just want to make sure everything is even. Let's put this one maybe up here. This pink piece, this one. So yeah, since I don't have washi, I'm just going with the flow. We can put this, should we put this here? Change it up a little. Try to connect that. Probably wonky, but that's okay. Let's use this long strip. Should we put it down here? Yeah. Put this down here. Oh my gosh, that is so crooked. I'm not good at this. Let me use my tweezers because I clearly can't put stuff down even remotely straight. Okay, and then Sunday is the last day. So Sunday, should we do this little list? Let's just use, I usually don't do too much on Sundays, but this can maybe be our to-do list instead. So I don't think I explained this actually, but my dailies are typically, let me see, what can I show you guys? Okay, so my dailies are typically washi tape, a to-do list, and like a little journaling section. So that's what I'm going to still do. I'm just going to decorate the entire week at one time instead. So now we can go in with some more florals, I think, and then we can decorate with whatever's left over. Yeah. Okay, so we have tons of florals to still work with, which is amazing. So I'm gonna take some of these corner pieces. Sorry about that, the dogs were barking, so I had to pause for a second. But I feel like we should put something on this side, so we'll take another piece of floral, put that up here. And I do have these Post-its. I don't know, I could use these for Pilates, because I do Pilates quite a bit. So maybe I'll save those to mark Pilates. I do mark my Pilates in my Hobonichi weeks, but I don't mind marking it in multiple planners. It doesn't bother me at all. Do some layering. Put this up here. Piece right here. Oh, I love the florals. I've just been super into them. They just make it look so elegant, so pretty, and I'm here for it, honestly. Oh, some of these, oh, this is like a single leaf. Oh, cute. Maybe I'll put that here at the bottom. I think I truly just want to try to use up all of these florals, because once I use up these, I'm not going to have any use for these random florals, so we should just go all out, which might be fun. Ooh, this one's pretty. This little leaf. Okay. We could put like one of these stamps down too. Put like a stamp right here. And maybe that. All right. Again, I just want to make sure I have a little bit on each page at least. And then we can go back and fill anything else in. Okay. Let's do this stamp in this corner. Cute. Loving this. All right, and then we have these 2 pages. So we'll take this corner. I do like them when they're also just kind of placed in the middle, and then you kind of like right around. I want this to be a header though. So let's take one of these and just whoop, kind of place it in the middle on the side here, and then when I journal, I'll just write around it, which is gonna be really cute. We need a little more going on this one. These are kind of dainty, especially the transparent ones. So should it go on the bottom here or at the top? No, I'll put it at the bottom. Just because we have that at the top there. Okay, let me just make sure. Should we do, yeah, I'm just going to place some of these now in the center here. I think that one's fine. This over here. All right, you guys, I used up all of these stickers on these pages, the journaling pages. We have a few deco pieces and dots on these pages, but I'm really happy with how it looks so far. It was more than enough to fill up these pages, so now I have room to journal still. I put some of these stickers here on this March page. I don't like how it looks. We're going to ignore that. It's okay. But yeah, that's what the weeklies, I'm sorry, I keep saying weeklies, the daily section looks like for the week. Now I'm gonna go in and put these to-do little scripts, because I always write a to-do list here on this side. You can't really see it, but there's a faint line that divides the section. So I always make a to-do list, and I like using these stickers because they're big, they're pretty bold, and yeah, I think it looks so cute. And I really like this. If you guys like this video, I'll do more of these, you know, set up my dailies with me type of thing. All right, and then the only other thing that I could mark is Pilates. Do I want to use I feel like it's such a big sticker. I don't know, because I usually just mark Pilates by like writing it in my to-do list. I don't know if I need one of these. Oh, I do have therapy, so I can use this for therapy. So I have therapy on Thursday, and let's use the green. So I'll put that here just because I like marking it at 2:30. And then Friday, my boyfriend and I have a concert. I got him tickets to a jazz concert, and it's to one of his favorite jazz singers. I'm gonna put that lower because it's at nighttime. So yeah, I think that's all we have to mark. I really like how it turned out. If you like this video, let me know. I can definitely do more. And honestly, I really enjoyed that I was able to use up these stickers because I don't want stickers to go to waste. And that it's nice to know that I can use an entire Little Bloom Paperie kit in a weekly spread and then use it for my dailies for the entire week as well. So let me know what you guys think of this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And yeah, you guys will see the end result of my dailies. I always do a flip through at the end of the month, so you guys will see how it looks then. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!